Today's been an exciting day for me because I finally got my hands on one of these wireless TIG foot controls. The part number of this thing is 301580. And I'm excited because even though it's wireless, what it does for me is it removes one of these cables. There's a lot of stuff going on here. You know, with the Multimatic, you got your MIG gun, your TIG torch, your foot pedal, and a ground cable. So eliminating just one of those cables is just going to clear some of that stuff up, especially because it lays on the floor. So, you know, you're always tripping over stuff. So I'm going to show you what's all in the box. We're going to open it up, put it together, and see how it works. All right, so first thing I see is an owner's manual. So remember, read and follow all labels and your owner's manuals. This looks like the batteries and the receiver. Okay, so the batteries go in the foot pedal, but the receiver screws onto the front of the machine. So I'm gonna take and turn the machine off. I'm gonna unscrew my wired foot control. And that can go bye-bye. And this goes like that. Now I cheated and already read the manual online. And I know that these already come paired from the factory, so you don't even have to do any of that. You only need to repair the foot control to the receiver if one of them gets damaged and you had to get a replacement. The foot pedal looks pretty close to the same foot pedal design as the wired one, except the bottom of this one, it's more of a molded plastic. It's very strong, and it's got 4 foot pads on it. This is also where you're going to find the battery tray to put the batteries in. So let's knock that out right now. Another cool thing about this is it takes just standard AA batteries. So no special batteries to buy. I like the nice heavy locking screw. And that looks like it. Turn the machine on. Upgrade. All I gotta do here is hit the foot pedal and the machine turns on. That's it. So these things come digitally paired. So you could have 100 of these in one location and they're not going to interfere with one another. Another nice thing about these is they're electronically shielded too. So unlike regular RC technology, the welding machine puts out a lot of electrical noise and interference. I mean, that's just the nature of beast when welding. So it's very important that the remote controls are shielded properly so that the output of the machine doesn't start fluctuating because of that electrical interference. They also have a quite long range. I could walk this pedal 100 feet away from the machine and it'll still control the machine. So it's quite amazing. So we'll do a couple weld tests with it. All right, I'm just gonna check the resolution of the pedal, see how close it is to the wired pedal. Wow, I stepped just on it and it struck the arc right away. Nice positive arc start. There's my weld pedal. The pedal is very smooth and steady. I'm going to throttle up and see. Oh yeah, it's very steady, very predictable. Now at the end of the weld, I feather off. Oh yeah, perfect. That'll definitely do.